This video is sponsored by Pro Guides. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to find out how you can win a $50 Nintendo eShop gift card. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kirby taking on Elite. Today, Kirby is going to take on Elite. I have a juggling show that I have to perform at in, well, I have to leave in about an hour, so we don't have much wiggle room. Let's get this done. Let's win some games. Hero just came out, so we're probably going to run into a couple of the heroes online. We'll see what happens here. I'm guessing it's a hero. It's a Sonic. Great. Well, at least it's not Snake. So, I have not ran into many Sonics in this game. So I don't know the matchup too well. In Smash 4, this was, in my opinion, Kirby's worst matchup. Because you just don't have too much of an option to a lot of the stuff he does. But you can suck him up, and that's pretty nice. His playstyle is not fun to play against or to play, so I don't know why people play him in general. But, well, that was weird. I kind of got hit out of that up air. But yeah, he's not as good as he was in Smash 4. So, thought he was going to down air there. So I don't really know this matchup, because no one plays him. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I didn't warm up. Usually I warm up a little bit just to... Okay, well, I'll give him that stock. Because, like, you know... That was supposed to be an inhale on roll in. However, I was holding the direction I was facing a little bit, so it caused the hammer to come out. Gosh. Okay, so I'm not playing great right now. But I guess we're winning. This guy doesn't seem like he's playing great either, so... I'm just forward smashing the wrong direction. I don't know what's going on. There it is. Oh, no! Forward air smash didn't work. Well, kind of worked there. It wasn't a combo there. But, I mean, we'll take it. Oh, how'd that forward tilt not come out? That would have set up very nicely for a potential jab block. But we did not get one of those. I was about to say, is he dead? Probably gonna... Oh! Down smash. I was expecting the spring. Okay, I want to get a jab block on him. That's the goal. Nope. Okay, let's just focus on winning, I guess, because I didn't realize we're now down. And we killed him. Was that like 56% or something? What? That was wild. Okay, well, we're not going to give him the rematch. That probably may have kicked him out of Elite. He was 508. It's a new thing in the patch. I don't think anybody mentioned. I didn't see it anywhere talked about. When you get into Elite now, it, like, says, hey, you're in Elite, and then, like, kicks you out. Like, not kicks you out of Elite, like, kicks you out of the current set of games that you're in. You go back to the home screen. The quick play home screen, that is. So basically, once you're in Elite, you can't play people not in Elite. And once you are in... Yeah. And once you are in Elite and you lose it, you get kicked out. And then it's like, yeah, you can't play here anymore. So, before you could just keep playing. You could be in Elite with, like, 1 GSP if, in theory, you lost a million games in a row. Is this guy even here? Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir? What you doing? Okay, let's give him the rematch. Okay, so that was a computer at the end. Okay, let's do this. Let's get an actual game in. Isabelle got a couple nice little buffs from this patch. I don't think Isabelle's viable by any means anymore.
I mean, like, top tier or anything. I mean, pretty much every character is viable to some extent. Yeah, jab connects, but oh my gosh. That's a little scary, actually. Uh-oh, I went too far. We're okay, though. How good is that jab? Like, I haven't played against any Isabels yet. I saw it was buffed, but... Oh, and I think the knockback on the... Oh, shoot. I thought you could... I've read, and I've only performed it a couple times, because I don't play many Isabels, but you can, like, run over it and pocket it with Kirby. I just lost the power from the jab. That's kind of sad. Oh, wait, no, it's run over and suck it up. Maybe. Okay, maybe I should just stop trying it and then look it up after. Okay, he's gonna have to up B. And he's gonna attack that because, I mean, if you're an Isabel or Villager main, you're gonna have to get good at teching because... There you go. Untackable! Oh, I took my eyes off the screen for a second, and, a good thing to do in this matchup, I mean, not huge, but, like, when they plant it during your stock, I kind of like just running over it just to kind of invalidate it, because that nair is scary, but my down air sucks, and I'm dead. I'm dead. Oof. Okay. Okay, this guy knows what he's doing. Milk. He's about to milk this victory over me. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Down there? Okay, we're fine. Oh! This guy's scary. I take that back. Villager or Isabel's now the best character in the game. I'm not being serious. This is for anyone. I still think that, I don't think it should command grab, but I'm still, like, in the thought process that that's gonna be a command grab. So, like, I don't want to shield it. So, dash attack beats that, I think. Oh, how did that not connect? I'm a little scared of this guy now. Oh, no! Yeah! Oh. I'm like, he saved me! And he killed me. That was a weird game. I was also on Battlefield. I mean, I don't think that really affects much, but... Okay, we got Pokemon Trainer. Ooh, interesting. This is Nerf/buffed Pokemon Trainer. Ivysaur is worse, and Charizard is better. So, let's see how this affects things. Now, when did I get hit? Oh yeah, he grabbed me. I was like, okay. Oh, if that would have tripped, that would have killed. Man, that would have been a nice kill. So there's more end lag on the Razor Leaf. Ooh. And the down air has a larger small hurt box window, or the weak hitbox. So, basically it's worse. The down air is worse. That's what I'm trying to say. The Razor Leaf, more end lag. Can't remember. I think there was one more change. And then Charizard's forward tilt got better. His neutral air got better. Can't remember what else. I think there's one more thing. Oh, Ivysaur's up B in the air does not kill as early, which is really good because that thing kills so early. I think on the ground it has the same kill power, but, like, you're on the ground, so you're not going to die that early to it. I don't know why I back through. Probably should have either been down throw or forward throw there, because forward throw he's probably DIing in because he was just... When you're close to the ledge, people just have, in general, tendency to DI in. I'll show you right here. Nope, not hit this guy. This guy knows what he's doing. Uh-oh, why did I nair? Am I dead? No, we're fine. And now he's dead. Okay. Yeah, it's going to Squirtle because he wants those low percent combos, but Pikachu does Kirby does decently against Squirtle. Pikachu? Where'd that come from? Oh, if I would have F-smashed. No, actually, maybe not. I was gonna say that would have been close to killing, but... Oh my gosh! That move is so weak!
Wow, post-patch. Let's go, boys. Maybe Kirby didn't need buffs. Maybe we just needed Pokemon Trainer to get nerfed. That's all we needed. Okay, well, they left, so this is a great chance to talk about today's sponsor, which is Pro Guides. Now, I've talked about Pro Guides before. You've heard me talk about them. Basically, they're an esports learning platform, so you can learn about Smash Bros. They've worked with content creators like Zero and created some very good character guides. I've worked with them as well on some of the character guides, and Zero has a whole platform on how to get better at Smash. So make sure to click into the link in the description to subscribe to them, and also leave a comment saying Juggleboy sent you here, and you will be entered to win a $50 eShop gift card. So, Nintendo eShop gift card, that is. Not just a eShop, general eShop. Okay, so we got the hero. This is only, like, my second or third time playing against a hero with Kirby, so I really don't know this matchup yet. I've played against a decent amount of Kirby's, or heroes, but not with Kirby. I was just playing with other characters just to see kind of what it was like, and playing as the hero myself. So, yeah, that back air is, like, crazy slow. Frame 18 or something? Like, what? So let's see if we can beat this guy. His recovery's, like, decently exploitable. It's not too great, but it's still okay. His aerials, though, man, those are some slow moves. Yep. Yep. That's bad. So, my thoughts on the hero. I may make a separate video on this because I'm not sure if I can condense all my thoughts into, like, this just next game. But basically, I don't think the hero's the best character in the game or anything. But I do think that there is a possibility that the hero does get banned. Because there is just so much RNG with this character that it's just... It's insane that, like, we'd even allow this. Because, like, when I was playing, I died to a, like, crit F-smash at, like, 20%. I'm like, how is this competitive? Like, it's different than, like, in Pokemon, where everyone has critical hits, or other games like that. I'm actually not too sure if, like, other esport games, other esport fighting games have stuff that's similar. But I don't really know of any, because I feel like they probably die out from people getting angry. Yikes. Don't get hit by Hatchet, man. But the thing is... Okay, what's that gonna do against Kirby? The thing is... You can basically just select whatever one you want without reading them, and your opponent basically can't read or react to what the thing is, and you're just basically, at that point, relying on RNG to maybe give you something good. Even if it doesn't work most of the time, the fact that it can work and that can be a viable strategy against someone better than you, you're like, hey, I'm playing a guy who I have no chance of beating. What if I just played hero, played decently, and, as long as I got some good RNG on my side, I'd have a chance of winning. And I don't think that's good competitively. Like, what if we decided to try and screw someone over in bracket? Like, I don't know. They'd have to not be, like, one of the best players in the world, but, like, let's say a top 50 player. And everyone who played them in bracket decided, hey, what if we all went the hero against them and just tried to RNG it? Most of the time, you're still gonna lose, but you might not. Someone might get lucky, might have RNG on their side, and eventually would beat them. In theory, if they were able to go toe-to-toe with them against everything else. So, it's just a thought. I don't know. Just rambling a little bit, but just something to think about. I think the hero, well, it's really fun to watch and fun to play. I don't think it's a competitive character. Now, this is question mark, question mark, question mark. So, this guy, we have no idea what to expect. Kirby Rob isn't great for Kirby, but, like, it's not too bad. Like, I think it's better than you would expect it to be. Because Rob can wall out Kirby, but Kirby combos Rob decently hard. I probably should have jabbed there, not down tilted. Want the gyro? Man, can't get the gyro. I think you can pick it up with dash attack decently. Let's see. Nope, you just push it away. Yeah. Oops. I thought I was gonna be underneath of that. Okay, why wasn't he edge guarding me there? Like, a little bit? Like, just throwing out some forward airs or something simple. That would have been such a great option for him. I don't know. That was such a weird air dodge. Not bad. That's a good 70%. Pretty easily. Uh-oh. Whoa, weak hit. We're okay. Good up smash. Okay, well, everything's just kind of working out right now. So, I mean, we'll take that. Yeah, you can mash out of that 0, like, pretty well. Got one parry. That's kind of cool. Nothing else, though. Let's get this edge guard. Nope. That side B is pretty scary. I'm surprised I don't see more Robs use it off stage. Because, like, there is surprisingly little end lag when you use that move off stage. There we go. Not a bad game. I think we'll end that episode there. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said earlier, make sure to check out Pro Guys. Link to that's in the description. Make sure to say Juggleboy sent me there in the comment section to be entered to win the $50 Nintendo eShop gift card. Get yourself a new game, whatever you'd like, or buy some of the DLC. I think you can buy that with the eShop gift card. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure you can. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out Pro Guides again. And let me know if you want to keep having more of this in the series, or if you'd like me to mix it up a little bit. Anyways, no, it's a little bit longer an episode. Hopefully you stuck around this whole time. Thank you again for watching. Peace.